What's going down, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel again. This time we're in the good old headquarters, dusting off the red thing, because we hit up Heat Wave had a trunk or treat, you know what I'm saying, and we had hit it up and it was a little dusty out there, so now I'm getting the red thing dusted off. So make sure you check out this video we got coming up. Shout out Heat Wave, shout out Dave McDonald for hitting me up personally and making sure, you know, Handful of Kids knew about what's going on and invited us out there. So that's what y'all about to see video of. Oh yeah, this weekend, this Saturday is going on in Huddle, Texas at Gus Almquist Middle School. It's the Fall Festival car show going on from 11 to 3, man. Go ahead and go to Handful of Cash Car Club on Facebook and you can see the flyer there. I put the flyer here too so you can see it. But it's going on this weekend in Huddle, Texas, man. Huddle, Texas. Make sure y'all come out. You know, the kids want to see the cars. The kids want to see the cars, man. So y'all bring the cars out for the kids. $25 registration fee, man. It's going to be food out there. Simply Marvelous will be there. So y'all come through, man. It's going down to Huddle, Texas this Saturday. Y'all check out the video and I'll be back at the end. HOC all day, every day.
Y al que le sirve el sombrero, que se vista de mariachi. Y al que le sirve, ya quiere chuparme la polla, está dentro de la boca. Si toma, toma perra, le pare.
That dude from outer space.
Y no me llores, piensa de atardecer.
Is 18. I got some PRVs in my doors. Yeah, some little Brazils. Hello? What up, man? They got about a good 10, 12 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Well, right now, that's what they got. Yeah, like 5 o'clock. Like he here right now when I said that. And I wasn't talking about it. Okay. Proud of you. Dang. Yeah, right here. Boy, clean.
Cuando vaya a levantar y que le den pisado. Lo mismo que hace con ella y ella no es tuya, te vendió sueño.
Alright, y'all, we done made it back now. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. You know, we got other videos coming up. I think next one I'm going to put up the C10s and the OBS car show out there in San Marcos at the San Marcos airport out there. So that's probably going to be the next video. So like I said, like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. This Saturday we'll be at Gus Almeida's Album Quest Middle School here in Hutto, Texas. So y'all come out there. If you got a car, you want to enter the show, go on and bring it out. It's $25 to enter. You have a great time. They got food out there, games, stuff for you to buy, stuff for you to look at, other cars for you to look at, other car enthusiasts for you to talk to. So like I said, it's going on this Saturday in Hutto, Texas at Gus Amquist Middle School. Come out, show those kids some love, man. All right, I'm out. Like, share, and subscribe.